So next on the fabrication list is the spoiler. I've looked at a few pictures online, so I need to replicate something here. Just done a rough line as to where I'm looking to fit it on the top, and then it's got to blend down to the bottom of the light panel. So a rough guideline around there, just going to snip that out, see how it fits. So welded that on. Looks a bit messy because there's some distortion. I've basically filled that angle between the body and the spoiler with weld. Have to do it in lots of little bits and then gradually blend it together, but it gets very hot, so you need to wait for it to cool down each time. I'm just starting to fold over the edge of the spoiler for the return, which will go back to the light panel. So what I'm hoping to do here is this sort of 1/2 inch thickness to the spoiler before I have the return panel down to the back. So I'm just doing another fold on it and then try to smooth this off so that I get a nice transition. This will have a flat plate that goes down to the side. So that is a fold on the top edge. It's about as best as I can get it at the moment. Because it's a bit springy, it needs some support. So the next stage is to add the secondary skin that comes down into here, and then I'll be able to reshape the spoiler a bit better. So this is the closing panel for the spoiler. Just tacked it in place along here and tacked it along the top edge, and I'm just about to run weld all the way along here, and I can sand that off, get the right shape. So that is the spoiler welded in place. I need to do quite a lot of sanding down all the welds and still the rear valance.